Interpreting the technical specifications for the Bosch Rexroth VCP08.2 Indracontrol terminal. The front panel has IP65 protection and the back enclosure has IP20 protection. It features a membrane keyboard with 39 keys. The display area is 57.6 mm by 76.8 mm. The display has a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. This VCP has a supply voltage of 24 VDC. The minimum voltage required is 18 V. Conversely, the maximum voltage is 30 V. It has 3 MB application memory. The operational temperature is between 5 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. It has a RISC ARM CPU with a clock frequency of 200 MHz. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth VCP Indracontrol terminal sales and replacements.